Tonight, we'll have enough vampires to take over this city.
Ah, look, here comes the bride.
What exactly happened?
I was at a party and some board had a go on me neck.
Wait a sec, you've been bitten on the neck. You're allergic to sunlight. And you don't like the garlic fries. I think I told you. That's my only clean shirt.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Dego, put two and two together. Four. Mo, you're a vampire.
Oh, bollocks.
We need a doctor.
Relax. Close your eyes.
Straightener.
Come on out.
Why?
So I can stake you.
Why are you trying to kill me brother?
And why'd you have a photo of a woman who bit me in the neck?
The woman who bit you was my fiancée, Sheila. She was a vampire, and you are because you got bitten by her.
I want you to teach me how to kill vampires.
Good. Payback. Sheila's having a party tonight. We could finish this once and for all.
I'm gonna drink you up. Get
You do know that you've killed a lot of people.
You're making me out to be a monster.
Now I think we should run.
You've got blood on your hands now.
What?
You've got blood on your hands. You should wash them.